All right, guys, I want to talk about information gaps. Let's go. So, final thing on information gaps in this section. Symmetric and asymmetric information. So, you've heard about people misestimating the value of products, merit goods, demerit goods, etc. I might overestimate the value of some things, underestimate the value of other things. Okay, that's fine. Now suppose that the company even realizes this. That's asymmetric information because the company might have a better idea of the thing than I do. So an example is tobacco companies had more of an inkling of the idea that tobacco would be very harmful before it became common knowledge of how harmful tobacco seemed to be, or tobacco products seem to be. That's an interesting case of information gaps. All sorts of companies producing drugs or whatever will often have different information on hand than is communicated to people, and so then they can kind of take advantage of that, right? They can sell more and at a higher price than people would actually buy if they actually, if they actually knew the same information as the company did. So that's going to cause a problem because people are likely to overconsume goods that are not good for them, even if the information is out there for the people who actually know what they're talking about within the industry. So that's a quick kind of summary there. I'd direct you back to the graphs on merit and demerit goods if you wanted to do a dive into it. But that's pretty much the story with asymmetric information. If the companies have more of an idea than the consumer, and so maybe the consumer is quite likely to overvalue something, whereas symmetric information is if they actually have a mutually good or even mutually bad idea of how useful the product truly is.